in this question we are given that Carol purchases 2 baskets, and in the basket 1 she has 4 apples and 2 oranges, and in the basket 2 she has 3 apples and 5 oranges. Now Carol has to select one piece of fruit at random from each of the 2 baskets. So either she can select the basket 1 first and then the basket 2, or the basket 2 and basket 1. So she can select the baskets in any order and take out the fruits in any order as well. We have to find out what is the probability that one of the 2 pieces of the fruit selected will be an apple and the other will be an orange. Let's move on to step 2 and understand how to solve this question. Now, there are 2 cases. So case 1, when she selects an apple from the basket 1 and an orange from the basket 2. And the other possible case is when she selects an apple from the basket 2 and an orange from the basket 1. Now the order does not matter since it has not explicitly mentioned. So keeping these 2 in mind, we move on to step 3 and calculate the final values. So probability of selecting an apple and an orange from basket 1 and 2 is equal to the number of apples in the first basket is 4 and the total number of fruits in the first basket is 6. So the probability of selecting an apple is 4 by 6. Similarly, the number of oranges in the second basket is 5 and the total number of fruits is 8. So the total probability here is 5 by 12. Now for case 2, we have that she selects an apple from the basket 2 and an orange from the basket 1. So the number of apples in the basket 2 is 3 and total number of fruits is 8. And for selecting an orange from the basket 1, we get 2 by 6. This gives us 1 by 8. To understand whether we have to multiply or add this, let us read the question in this way. So Carol can either select an apple from basket 1 and orange from basket 2, or she can select an apple from basket 2 and orange from basket 1. Now since we are using the term or, this implies that we have to add these 2 cases. So the required probability will be equal to 5 by 12 plus 1 by 8. Now taking the LCM, we get 24. This gives us 10 plus 3, which is 13 by 24, which is the option E.